A senior corporate executive who was living in a palatial building after retirement decided to move to the society where he was owning a flat. He did not bother to talk to his neighbors, never did he converse with them. He still felt that he was someone superior and looked all other people with contempt. Even during the evening walks in the garden, he didn't bother about any of them. Months rolled by, and one day he happened to see a senior citizen, very elderly person sitting in the park, and he happened to strike a conversation with him. Even then, he was narrating such a big corporate he is from and how many people he was managing, how many departments were under him, and the kind of house he was in, and he chose just to live here, not because of any other reason, but just wanted to come here and stay with other people. But the tone was completely different still. The elderly person just didn't bother about, he just went on his way. And it was more like a monologue that happened between this retired corporate executive and the elderly person. For a few days, this conversation monologue went on. And after a while, this executive, he got a bit more intrigued, and out of curiosity, he started talking, wanted to know a little more about the other person. And then he started asking him, where are you from and who are the people here? Just then, this elderly person started talking. We here are all mostly retired people. Understand that we are just fused bulbs. We are just fused bulbs. There is nothing more to us. It could be a 10 watt bulb, 5 watt bulb, 0 watt bulb, halogen bulb, sodium vapor lamps, or even decorative lamps, doesn't matter. But all that only when we are glowing, we are all in different positions. And we think that is our standard and that is where we belong to. But in reality, we are all fused bulbs, nothing more than that. Can you see the person who is standing there just after his walk? He is a retired GM from the railway department. And can you see the other person who is just jogging over there? He is a retired IAS officer. Each of them are in a different ranks during their tenure in the office, official time. But now, we are all the same. There is no much difference. We are all retired people, and this is our reality. Many times, we try to associate ourselves with the positions which we are in. That is only a temporary phase of life. But the real phase of life starts only now, where we come and mingle with a similar age people who have been through different walks of life, and this is our reality. Now is a time when we have to start empathizing with each other. There is a lot we have carry as experience with us, but all those experience is all past. He started going further. Do you know how to play a chess? During the chess game, we see the king is different from a pawn, but once the game is over, the king and the pawn both come back to the same box, isn't it? Very, very profound way of saying it. And this is the same to all of us. It does not matter who we are, the position in our life. We are all humans. We need to have empathy with other people. We need to understand that everybody else has got a life just like us. Everyone has got a sense like us. Everyone has got emotions, sensibilities just like us. This is the whole fact of life. The sun, whether it is rising or falling down, it is all the same. The same sun gets a different kind of respect during different times. This is the same for human as us. This is our inspiration for the day, and we need to take this forward and remember that the moment we are in now, we need to enjoy it, not because we are in a position to enjoy it. It is because we are born to enjoy the present. We need to accept the way of life and accept humanity as is, and empathize with other people and think of them as another human being just like us and enjoy life.